Hey guys, I want to give a quick demo of the new costume search feature I've added to Armorsmith Designer. This feature gives new users or people new to building cosplay armor an easy way to put together their costumes. To begin, just click on Window, Costume Search, and then simply type into the search bar whatever costume you want to make, and it'll scour the available files for a match. Let's say you're interested in Halo. Lots of hits. You can navigate through the pages with the next and previous buttons. What about Iron Man? That's always a hit. Again, lots of options come up. What about everybody's favorite Merc with a mouth? When you find the file you want, simply click Download and it will be added to your workspaces. It's then ready to be attached, scaled, and printed. Now anyone can get into armor building. It's just that easy. Pick up a copy of Armorsmith and let me know what you think. A link to purchase is in the description. Happy building!